What's going on, everybody? It's your girl Chanel Stevens, and I'm back again with another video. And in this video, I'm gonna be going over the easiest CPA marketing strategy that you can use. Now, this strategy can make you $500 per day, and the reason why I'm saying that, and knowing that this works for sure and can stand behind my claim, is because this is what took me to my first $500 a day. This is what made me my first $100,000 per year with CPA affiliate marketing, and it was this strategy that I'm about to go over in this actual video. So make sure that you're taking notes, paying attention. You can see I'm on vacation right now in this dope ass suite, and it's all thanks to CPA marketing. I'm able to live the life of my dreams. All I need is a laptop and an internet connection to make thousands of dollars every single week. So if you guys are interested in learning CPA marketing, you in the right spot. I advise you watch this whole video to the end. So let's get right into it. All right, so the first part of the strategy, I want you to really focus on the offer, because getting the offer right is really key. It's a lot of people that go out there, they're just getting started, start from zero, and they go out there and they find an offer that's paying out $70 or $100 or something like that. Like, what I advise you guys to stick to, and how I started and made my first 100,000, is sticking to an offer that's a really simple conversion point. So that would be something like a single opt-in, or a double opt-in, or just something where they enter it in an email, or they fill out a simple form. Or you could even do offers that are like downloads. Those are really simple as well. All somebody has to do is just click install or something like that. But there are many different type of offers out there, but I just say stick to the offers that have simple conversion points. Cost per sale offers work as well, but those usually require more budget, or a lot more traffic, a little more experience. So if you're somebody who's just getting started, just beginning, I would just stick to those simple little offers. Those simple offers can make you $500 per day, can make you $100,000 in a year. You don't have to have these offers that pay out $30, $50, $60, $100 to make six figures with CPA marketing. And that's the beauty of it. You could literally have an offer that's making you $2 per conversion, but you can get hundreds of those conversions per day, and that can make you thousands per week, well over $100,000 per year. So don't be sleep on those low payout offers and offers that are simple, that just require like an email submit or a simple download or something like that. You can actually think about it for yourself, like what's easier for you? Is somebody getting your email address, or somebody actually getting your credit card out to purchase, to buy something? Of course, just getting somebody to fill out an email is easier, and that's why I say stick to those offers. Just getting started, when you really just trying to get your first few conversions, to prove this works, to prove you're on the right track, so you can gain that faith, start really investing in yourself, and get to that next level, which is sending massive traffic, because that's really the next part of this strategy, and that's the traffic. Traffic is very key. Now, for this example, let's just say we're using Facebook traffic. So in this case, you'll be sending traffic to a Facebook video post, or a picture post, or something, just an ad that's pre-selling the offer and getting somebody to want to take action, want to actually click the link, or learn more and go to your actual website, right? So as far as traffic, I would just advise with this strategy, first things first is to get you on track to sending 100 clicks per day. Okay, I really want you guys to hit this first milestone and sending 100 clicks per day. I don't just want you to send this 100 clicks a day without a strategy, without being strategic. So that's what I'm going to break down in this video, like how to do it strategically, so that you're testing efficiently and getting the most out of your traffic. Now, there are many ways to send 100 clicks per day to your website, but in this instance, I want to just talk about Facebook ads. So let's just say a simple strategy for Facebook ads with CPA. You want to make your first $100, $1,000. So a simple strategy that you can actually use for Facebook would be to set up 10 different assets. Now, I'm looking at it from a budget of $100 per day, but say you don't have that much money for your budget. You would scale down accordingly. But I mean, if you want to get to $500 per day, I mean, you look at $100 to make $500 be a 400% ROI. So you just gotta make sure you're understanding ROI correctly. And I go over budget in one of my videos. Basically in this video, I just want to explain the strategy, so I'm gonna keep it simple. So let's just say you have $100 per day budget, right? You would do 10 different assets, and within each of those assets, you'll have an interest, right? So I would put one interest per asset, and also I would make sure that it's between 250,000 to 1 million You know, it could be a little more, a little less, but that's just like the simple metrics that I would use to make sure that I can actually generate, you know, 10, 20, 30 at least clicks per day from that actual asset. And that's on the, like, you know, the low end. You also will want to make sure, you know, your pixel is installed, everything correctly. You want to make sure that you're tracking everything with volume, because volume is what's going to tell you, you know, which asset actually triggered the conversion. But even with another traffic source, say you use the same type of strategy with, say, Google or Bing ads, it's the same thing. And that's, you will set up 10 different ad groups with a keyword, whether exact, phrase, broad, whatever. You know, you would just do one keyword per ad group, right? And you would track, of course, with volume and everything, so you know which ad group is triggering the conversion. So it's the same principle. I really want you guys to understand the principles behind what I'm saying, because it's not just about giving you the fish. I want to teach you how to fish. I want to show you how to go out there and get your own fish, so you have to rely on somebody just giving you something and feeding you. Now, you can feed yourself for a lifetime. You don't have to worry about just eating for a day. I don't see how you can't start seeing your first few conversions just doing that alone. Simple little test, keeping your targeting refined. You just got to make sure that your targeting, your ad, is actually on point, because if you choose just a simple offer that you know converts, then it should be no reason why you send 100 people to the actual offer and it doesn't convert, or if you're doing everything right on the other end. So that's just a simple way to actually do it. And the next part of this strategy would be, you know, your optimization. Once you are getting conversions, once you are seeing okay in volume, you know, this is what's working, this was not working. That's really basically what optimization is, you know, cutting off the stuff that's costing you money and not making you money. So I don't want you to get confused about optimization. Optimization is basically turning off what's working and keeping on and scaling what's actually working. So it's really, really simple when you break it down like that. I'm just trying to make this video as easy to understand as possible, because a lot of people get mixed up and confused about the actual process. But this is the actual process. That's pretty much your day in the life, is optimizing at that point. You're getting the conversions, and you're trying to get more of those conversions, and you're trying to, you know, stop losing money in areas you don't have to lose money in. Now, of course, I'm making this sound real simple because, you know, I really want you to understand, you know, the principles behind this strategy, the principles behind what I'm actually talking about. But you see how simple it is. You take a simple offer to something that doesn't take a lot to actually convert. You mix that with getting actual traffic. And, you know, I'm an advocate of paid traffic. I believe totally 100% in paid traffic. I don't believe in free traffic. I don't believe in free stuff and all those other ways to get people to your website. I just want something that's, you know, consistent, reliable. You know, I can just pay for it. You know, it's no better way than just being able to just pay for your traffic, that you could just go to a traffic source and just get people to come to your website by just paying Facebook or paying Google or paying Microsoft or paying Rev Content, you know, whatever traffic source you want to use. Now, of course, I break all this down plus more in my 12-week program, Mogul Academy. You know, I go over how I test, you know, my structuring of my campaigns, optimizing, you know, how I turn my campaigns profitable and scale them up to reach, you know, 100,000 or more in a month. And all those techniques I go over in Mogul Academy. But I actually closed Mogul Academy down to focus on the current students that was already enrolled and to focus on, you know, my private coaching students. But I've been getting a ton of emails, Facebook messages, and people, you know, commenting on my YouTube channel just saying, you know, when is it going to be back open? They want to enroll inside Mogul Academy. So I'm going to give you guys another chance to get inside my CPA marketing training. And it's going to be basically all my strategy techniques that took me to 7 figures. So if that's something you're interested in, I'm also going to make it 50% off for this week only, and then after that I'm going to be shutting it down again. So here's your chance to actually get inside and learn everything in more depth, more detail, you know, see me actually behind the screen showing you exactly what to do when it comes to CPA marketing. I really want you to get started. You know, I don't really want you to have no excuses, so that's why I really made it 50% off, so you can actually get inside. It's no excuses. I lowered the price. 2021 is still fresh. It's a new year. You can really take advantage of something like this and really change your life this year and see your first 6 figures if you haven't done so already. If you actually do what I say in this video, you actually follow along with what I'm saying and all my training, everything like that, I'm telling you guys, you can really change your life. You have to take this stuff serious though. Like, you see my life right now. I'm out in Vegas. Let me actually show you around the suite a little bit. So this place is pretty neat, pretty cool. It's pretty big. You can see my name right there, Chanel Stevens. Also got a little fireplace. Just turned this on. It gets nice and toasty. right here. Got a little kitchen area with a stove, fridge. I don't have nothing in it. Some Grand Lux and a Gatorade. Just got a little stove area. Also, this is the second bathroom right here, the little guest bathroom. It's pretty cool. Nice little size. Let's see, I really got this place for the views though. The suite is cool, but I really got this place up for the views. About to show you guys outside real quick. So this place has 360 views. So the balcony wraps around the entire suite. So you can see some sirens going off. You can see the whole Vegas almost from here. You can see also the Las Vegas Strip from the balcony. This place is really, really cool. The views is dope. This place just motivates me to grind harder. You to see the whole strip from here. It's crazy. So it also wraps around to the bedroom right here. So I can go in this way. This is where I sleep. See a little bed, another little TV. Also has a jacuzzi tub. So I'm gonna be getting in that later. Little closet area. And little mirror. This is a bathroom right here. So this is where I brush my teeth, wash my face. And toilet back here. Nice little shower. So this place is really, really, really cool. And this door right here just goes out to like that other bathroom in the kitchen area. So the suite is pretty cool. It's pretty big. I'm gonna be staying here for about a week. So that's all I got for this video. Make sure you remember Mogul Academy is 50% off for this week only. Then I will be closing it again, so make sure you take advantage of that. Also, if you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.